Good morning, students. So today we will start the trigonometric identities. Okay. So under the trigonometric identities, let me write the heading first of all. So now look at here. Actually, what is the meaning of identities here? Why we are using the word identities? Identities means nothing but the formula what we have used in the maths actually. But here, instead of using the word formula, we will use the word identities, because actually these are the weapons by which we can solve the problem. The first one, then, which is very much important, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From here only two more other identities can be derived. Just look at here. From here only, suppose if I write here sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, and in similar way cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Number 2, sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This is the second identity, that is sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So from here also two more identities can be derived, that is tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1 and sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And the third one, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Correct? So from here also two more identities are coming, that is cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1 and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So now look at here, students. These are the more basic identities are there. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. From here we are getting so many different formulas are there or identities are there. Another one which we are using here, that is cos 3 theta, that is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Number 5, sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta will be what? 3 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Okay. Next, number 6, sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta will be 2 sin theta cos theta. Correct? Similarly, cos 2 theta will be what? That is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Correct? Number 8, I am writing over here. Number 8, after cos 2 theta, let us write sin 2 theta once again. Sin 2 theta once again. Look at here, sin 2 theta 2 equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. But in tan form, how you will change? Sin 2 theta can be written in the form of tan, that is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And in similar way, cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. But in the form of tan, what it will be? 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and another one is there, that is tan 2 theta will be, just you can make it sin theta by cos theta, so automatically we will get what? Tell me. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, students. So So these are the most important 10 identities are there under which most of the maths will be done. Now after we have to learn these formulas or identities, correct? Now by using these identities we will solve some problem. Okay? Okay students, now look at here. I have taken one math, that is sin theta plus sec theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosec theta whole square is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta whole square. This math particularly came in the year 2000 in the board exam. So how we will solve? So let us start with the left hand side, that is LHS. We can start from the right hand side also, we can start from the left hand side also. According to the maths, or it depends upon the maths that whether you will start from left hand side or right hand side. Suppose LHS here, what? Sin theta plus sec theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosec theta whole square. So that is equal to sin theta plus sec theta is what? 1 by cos theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Okay, so that is equal to sin theta cos theta. If you do the LCM, sin theta cos theta plus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator cos theta is there. Okay, that is whole square plus here also sin theta cos theta plus 1 whole divided by sin theta whole square. Correct? So after this, what we will start, or what we will do? So let us do the once again the LCM, that is sin square theta. If you do here sin square theta, sin theta cos theta plus 1 whole square plus, and this side will be cos square theta, and same as it is sin theta cos theta plus 1 whole square whole divided by what you are getting, sin square theta cos square theta. Correct? So now if you are breaking this one, now look at here, sin square, here sin theta cos theta plus 1 whole square, here also sin theta cos theta plus 1 whole square. So take it common. So what you are getting, sin square theta from here, and there cos square theta, and the remaining common thing is sin theta cos theta plus 1 whole square whole divided by sin square theta cos square theta. Correct? Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Correct? So you can write sin theta cos theta plus 1 whole square by sin theta cos theta. Actually you are using which one? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This identity you are using. So ultimately you are getting this one. Correct? Okay. Now break it. Let us do over here. So what you are getting? Sin square theta cos square theta, okay, plus 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta whole divided by sin theta, sorry, here also sin square theta, here cos square theta, cos square theta. Correct? So if you are dividing, what you are getting? Sin square theta cos square theta by sin square theta cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta whole divided by sin square theta cos square theta. Correct? So here you are getting 1 plus 1 by sin square theta is what? Cosec square theta. Cosec 1 by sin square theta is cosec square theta, and 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta. plus here also 1 sin theta cos theta is there and here square is there, so 1 will remaining. So ultimately you are getting 2 cosec theta sec theta. So that is equal to, now look at here, you are getting 1 plus sec theta cosec theta whole square, which is equal to RHS. Just only using one identity and remaining part is the calculations. I have started from left hand side, I have got the right hand side. So ultimately we can write that therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay students, I hope it is clear. Okay, so now look at here, another one that I have taken here, that is sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A. This is the left hand side, and the right hand side two part is there. First of all we have to prove this one, thereafter that one. So let us start from the left hand side, that is LHS equal to sin A plus cos A whole divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A whole divided by sin A plus cos A. That is equal to, now if you do the LCM, what you are getting? Sin A plus cos A whole square, because this multiplied by this, so sin A plus cos A whole square plus, now this multiplied by this, that means sin A minus cos A whole square whole divided by, what you are getting? A minus B, A plus B, that means sin square A minus cos square A. Correct? So look at here, already you have got the denominator, now only you have to reduce the numerator. Now if you break this one, what actually you are getting? Let us do over here, sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A plus again sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A whole divided by sin square A minus cos square A. Correct? So now look at here, plus 2 sin A cos A and minus 2 sin A cos A, that will cancel out. Now just arrange sin square A plus cos square A. What we know, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So instead of this one, I can write 1, or just write once again, and so that you can make it clear prominently. Okay, so now this one equal to 1, this one also 1. That means what you are getting? 1 plus 1 by sin square A minus cos square A. So ultimately you are getting 2 sin square A minus cos square A, which is equal to RHS. Okay, now again you have to prove this one. Correct? So now let us take from there 2 sin square A minus cos square A equal to, now here no cos is there. Correct? So anyhow we have to vanish cos. So how you can change cos square A, how you can write actually in term of sin square A. Look at here, we know very well that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So from here also we can write cos square A equal to what? 1 minus sin square A. Yes or no? So just put over there minus 1 minus sin square A. So ultimately what you are getting? 2 by sin square A minus 1 minus a plus sin square A. So ultimately you are getting 2 by sin square A plus sin square A means 2 sin square A minus 1. which is equal to RHS. So you have got the result. Correct, students? So look at here. If three parts are there, then also don't take any panic. You go proceed from the left hand side, automatically you will get. Okay? Okay. So I hope all these two maths only I have just explained over here. So more or less it is clear to you. So in the next episode, in the next part of my video, I will just give more solutions of more and more maths which will be more benefited for you. So keep on watching the next video. Correct?